Come with me. Let's factorize this question. All right. So some students were telling me that normally if an equation is given as this, it's easy to factorize. But what about when the coefficient of x squared is not 1 but maybe 2 or 3 or any number? How do we solve it? So I'm here to show you how to work it out, right? Okay, good. So let's do it together. Now, given that 2x squared minus 7x minus 15 is equals to 0, you should solve completely. All right, how do you go about this? Now, let's write the equation. We have 2x squared minus 7x minus 15 is equals to 0. So first, what you will do is you carry this coefficient and multiply by this constant. So we have 2 times minus 15, and that gives you minus 30. So achieving that, the next step, this is step 1. The next step is to find 2 factors of minus 30. That when you add them together, they will give you minus 7. And when you multiply them together, they will give you minus 30 back. So let's put this and take factors of 30, right? So 2 here will give you 15. 3 here will give you 5. And 5 here will give you what? 1. So how can we combine these values that will have minus 7? Let's see. If I have 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 5, 11. It's not 11. 6 minus 5, 1. It's not 1. No. Let's do another multiplication. 2 times 5, that's 10. Then 3. So minus 3. We can have 7 from this. But then if I make 10, which is the bigger number, negative, and make 3 positive, that means I can have minus 7 when I add them up. And then if I multiply them, I have minus 30. So the best factor to use is what? Minus 10 and plus 3. So let's substitute the value of 7. So step 3, we are going to substitute the value of minus 7 with these 2 factors of minus 30. So we'll just expand this by writing minus 10x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0, right? Okay, so the next thing to do is to group these factors, right? So I'll group this portion together and group this portion together. Why? Because they have common factors. They can be factorized. So if I group these together, I have 2x squared minus 10x. Then plus the other aspect, I'll have 3x minus 15, right? Equals to 0. So let's factorize this expression. What is common here? We have 2 is common here and x is common here. So we have 2x. So when we divide 2x squared by 2x, we are left with only x minus. When we divide 10x by 2x, we'll be left with 5. Now, what is common here? Here, the only thing that is common here is plus 3. So if we divide 3x by plus 3, we are left with x. If we divide minus 15 by plus 3, we are left with minus 5. So we have equals to 0. Now let's group those external factors together. So we have 2x plus 3, and then we'll pick one of these factors, x minus 5, and it's equal to 0. Now, since both of these are equal to 0, then you are allowed to say that 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 is equal to 0. If this is correct, then let's work this later. Here we have 2x is equal to minus 3, and s is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. While in this case, x will be equal to positive 5. So these are the factors when you solve this completely. And this is where we are going to draw the curtain for today. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, turn on your notification. Make sure you share also to your families and friends. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.